Hi, hello, what's poppin', Jimbo? Sorry I barely upload, but this time it was because I had people living in my room that I felt uncomfortable filming around, that were always in my room. But now my brother lives in my room, so I'm gonna follow that challenge thing where you follow a makeup tutorial, and we're gonna be doing Gilbert's emo alternative guy makeup tutorial. So if you're looking for beauty guru, basic white girl makeup, then this is not the video for you, honey. So let's get started.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Johnny, and you might be noticing I don't have my face on. I don't have my face on.
A mood.
So as you can tell though, I don't have makeup on. Usually I have makeup on because my skin is not so good.
Same.
So the first thing I do when I'm getting my makeup ready is I do like a little montage, because you gotta do a before and after montage, you know? You gotta have that face, those angles and stuff like all the beauty gurus always do on YouTube, and you gotta do that every single day.
Of course.
People say I have a very big forehead. I don't have the forehead size of Brendan Urie, I know. So now you're gonna want to apply this to your face.
I'm just gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me, because you know it works, and it looks like it's the same coverage as he has anyways.
So usually the more the better. This looks very yellow. I've never used this foundation before. I'm sure it'll work great. If it doesn't, that sucks. I have to put it on my forehead too, but I mean I don't even really show my forehead, so what am I doing that for?
I always show my forehead, so this will look weird, but it's okay.
You just want to get your beauty blender?
Yeah, I don't have a beauty blender because my dog ate it. Oh, where's she at? She left. That little rascal.
Put on your fade is up and down. Some people will smear it. Alex told me that's not what I'm supposed to do. I can't smear it. That's not correct. That's a really bad idea. You see, I'm getting it in my hair, which is great. Why am I doing this at 3?
This is so weird because I usually put concealer underneath my foundation. And I usually put way more than this because it's not very full coverage.
I'm gonna put a little bit more because I'm feeling extra insecure
Oh, thank goodness. Because same.
tonight. Oh crap. Oh. Guys, welcome to YouTube, where people try to teach you things but they don't even know how to do it correctly. Now the foundation looks on, kind of. It's a little bit on my lip. Now the foundation is mostly on, which is good. It's covering.
I'm just going to use, again, a really cheap contour.
Blender, or you just like kind of do like a little line.
And he drug it all the way to his mouth.
As you see, you want to blend that a little bit. A little sharper. You need those Andy Biersack cheekbones.
Nobody can have his cheekbones.
After you're done with all that, I usually use some powder.
Since I'm too lazy to go get my powder I usually use, I'm just going to use one of these powders.
So you gotta emo it up. You can't do that without eyeliner, so this is it. This is your god, right?
Of course. Duh. I have a similar eyeliner thing. He like tugs on it and then does it, which you shouldn't do because that causes wrinkles, but he's doing it, so we gotta do it.
I know you're not supposed to pull your eyelid down, but that's what I do because, you know, quality, right? God, I'm screwing up so bad. What am I doing? Usually my eyeliner will look like this. It's pretty sloppy. After that, I just usually smear it with my finger. I know you're not supposed to do that, but yeah. But sometimes I like to add eyeshadow. I have some black eyeshadow, of course. So usually I just get a brush and I just kind of put it on my eyelid.
Because I don't want to waste my expensive makeup, I'm just gonna use this black from this palette.
Oh, slay hunty. I just add a ton because you can never be too emo, right?
Honestly, wish I could look like this every day, but you know, my parents would kill me.
Currently, usually I smear it so it gets a little more blended. I don't really add anything else. Sometimes I'll add little like marks on my face or something. To do that, all you need to do is just get eyeliner and just smear it on your face. But for some reason you wanted to add a mark on your face, I just use eyeliner because that works. That gets the job done.
I suck at straight lines, so see, they're a little curved, but that's okay. It'll match the rest of my body. But now I'm just gonna fill them in because mine's definitely not as gel as his is. Mine is definitely, oh freak. I'm still gonna have to make it a little bit thicker, but whatever.
But that's pretty much it. That's how I do my makeup every single day.
So I guess this is it. So I guess this is the final finished product. Definitely dark on one side and light on the other. That's only because I was trying to clean up the eyeliner and I put foundation over the contour, and so. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and share with your mom, friends, and dogs. Please subscribe to become an official Tater Tot. And don't forget to turn on my post notifications. In no way am I trying to offend anyone. Trust me, if I could, I would look like this every day. Just maybe not, you know, that. But yeah, so I love you, Tater Tots. Bye.